So this entire discussion brings us to the functioning of marine ecosystems as proposed by Curry and co-authors in 2001. Okay, we're talking about food web controls. So you have a marine food web which has all these different trophic levels. What happens if there's a disturbance? What happens if there are less predators? If you, for example, get rid of all the sharks, okay, what happens? What happens if you create phytoplankton? That's probably obvious. If you have a phytoplankton bloom, you stimulate a higher abundance of zooplankton, which triggers a response across all levels. But what happens if you take out the forage fish? You know, forage fish, that's the sardines. If you catch them. Okay? So that's very, very fascinating concept. That's about disturbances, like overfishing of certain species. What is the consequence? Because everything is linked in a marine food web. Okay? And there are three key controls. Okay? In nature, it might be a combination of all these three or only one or two of them. But you can, if you think about it, you can define three different types of food web controls. One is called bottom-up, the other one is called top-down, and the third one is called WASP, waste food web control. And now focus on how do you write waste. It's not waste, it is waste. Okay, so you try to learn the difference between waste and waste. Okay, this is the waste of a wasp.